here's the truth, you can't create sustainable change without building and creating the foundation for that change to move forward on. Start fresh, yet you still find yourself feeling a little heavy or stuck. And then maybe you wonder why you feel exhausted or overwhelmed just a few days or a week later. Hi, as the days get longer, you might be feeling a natural urge to just clear out the old, start fresh, yet you still find yourself feeling a little heavy or stuck. It's that awkward middle ground, like when you get a bad haircut and you're just waiting for it to grow out. It's that anticipation and waiting anxiously for the change that can just wear you out. Most of us typically try to force things when there is a sense of incoming change. Big goals are set, you start new routines, and then maybe you wonder why you feel exhausted or overwhelmed just a few days or a week later. Because here's the truth, you can't create sustainable change without building and creating the foundation for that change to move forward on. Right now, the world is at a point of perfect balance. It's called the equinox, where the day and the night are exactly equal. So what happens from this point forward is the light and the sun energy starts to increase, and it's important to do specific practices right on this equinox point to harness as much of this unique energy as you can. This is an invitation from me to do just that. There are very specific, ancient Kundalini practices of movement, meditative focus, and unique breathwork that builds our energetic blueprint so it aligns and taps into the equinox portal. And here's several that are specifically done in springtime around the equinox portal. This first one is called Empower the Psyche's Projection. This is my left arm. It's equilibrium parallel to the ground, but I'm going to bend my elbow so the hand is at the heart level. Palm is down. This is my right arm. I'm extending it forward. Again, equilibrium parallel to the ground, but my palm is up. Earth, heaven. Now we're going to chant, and we chant a very specific sound current from Raga Sadhana. It's a really old school way of chanting the sadhana mantras. And we also look at the tip of the nose. Waheguru, 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 Wahejio, Waheguru, 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 Wahejio. So that's just one. Now, the second one that I'll show you is called Meditation to Change the Ego. We're going to put the sides of the thumbs together. The knuckles don't touch. You're going to hold this at the heart level. This is the Equinox meditation to change the egos. So you'll notice that only the sides of my thumbs are touching. They're at the heart level. We're going to breathe in for 8, hold for 8, exhale for 8, hold the breath out for 8. This is all going to perfectly shift in perfect coordination all parts of you so that you can calibrate this change that's incoming. Let's try it. Inhale for 8, hold for 8, exhale for 8, and hold the breath out for 8. You'll keep doing that breath pattern, which is a very ancient breathwork pattern and practice that aligns and shifts all parts of you to be in perfect coordination with this change of the season from winter to spring. So I'm sharing these powerful, these very ancient and mysterious yogic teachings so that you can create a direct path of being fully on, waking up to your life, being kind to yourself, and opening your heart to all the possibilities that are around you instead of just going through the motions. I'm Melanie MătaJi, and I want to help you navigate this transition. I'm hosting a very special Spring Equinox Kundalini class immersion called Radiance and Balance. It's a 2-hour experience where we use very practical, time-tested tools to help you shift your energy from winter hibernation mode to steady, let's spring forward mode. And the result? A clear path forward and feeling beautifully recalibrated. You don't have to stumble into spring feeling burnt out. Join me on Friday, March the 20th from 6 to 8 p.m. Let's take these 2 hours to move out of our heads and back into our hearts. The link to register is right below this video. I can't wait to see you there. Sat Nam.